Okay, I've still got paint left from my squiggle pour. So I'm going to try one more, see if I can't use this stuff up and move on to another technique. This time I'm going to be using Crimson Red as my base coat. Let me get the base coat put down and I shall return. All right, I decided to go with a round canvas just to give a different look from the red one that I did before on the 16 by 20. Although this is a different color, as I said, this is crimson and the other one was done bright red. They're both pretty bright, similar. But so I think the blue will really pop on it. But again, I took my gloves off because I'm hoping to just apply my lines and leave it. Did you see my orange one? I think I like that the best so far. It was so easy. I'll link it up above in case you missed it. But here we go. I'm thinking I'm going to do maybe 3 circles. So here we go. And I'll probably speed this part up once I get into it because it's just, I'm doing the same thing over and over again, just different colors. I love how that blue just shocks you when you look. Oops, I guess I'll put one over here. I kind of like it's circular, but there are straight lines. I kind of like that look. Kind of a bird's nest look. And then I'll do a larger one here. I did mix up some gold, just because I felt I needed it on this red. I have silver and what else is metallic? The copper. And do I have some cobalt blue? I thought I did. Maybe I used it up. Did I actually use up one of my colors? I'm using it. It's in my hand. Oh my gosh. It's late. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should do a voiceover, but no, I'll admit what I did. Looking for something that it's in my hand. Okay, oh my gosh, look at, I have so much paint left. This is like the never-ending paint technique. Let's just start this little one. Oh, and should I do another one? Maybe I'll tilt. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's just see what happens. Isn't that fun, the way the blue? So dramatic on here. I'm going to overlap these circles. These lines some. Let's enlarge this one. Yeah, maybe I like that negative space. Okay, here is, I think it's brilliant blue maybe. And then I think I may have added some silver to it to jazz it up. I can't recall. It's the same one I've been using for several paintings. I'll put it down below. I'm just cutting and pasting the information. Come on. I'll put down these blues and then I will speed it up as I get into the other colors. Because I have nothing new or interesting to say about this. You can see what I'm doing. I gotta tell you, I like it. This one, I'm almost out of this color. Hallelujah. That's Kissy at the door. Come on. It just does not want to come off my stick there. Okay, let's move on to some magenta. I'll leave that part negative space. This is a correction here that I'm doing because I didn't like what I did there with the blue. I was thinking it might be okay, but I didn't like it, so then I had to revise the plan and have just some partial circles out there in the perimeter. I think it's working out. I think it's okay. I was concerned it was too much. I don't know. Was it too much negative space or just not enough going on this camp? Oh my goodness, I scraped to the canvas. Well, that'll fill in. It's too bad. That's the danger here. You're close to the canvas, but you don't want to scrape it like I did. Let me fill in that little the base color. I can. Okay. That's not good. So don't scrape it. That's just what I'm doing. But there we go. Disguised it. What's left? I added silver, gold, I think. I like the gold on the red. That's neat. Well, it's a very happy painting. Oh dear, I don't know. Let me bring you in. Well, I'm not afraid of color, that's for sure. And it's going to dry pretty much just like this. They may settle in a little bit, but for the most part, it's going to dry just like that. And I have that negative space, and I think I like it. And I still have more paint left. I got to do something with this center there. Maybe just a little silver. Okay, my friends, thank you for joining me. See you next time.